welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted WhatsApp photos. Actually, not only deleted WhatsApp photos, any chats that have been deleted. But there is just one thing that you need to do first. So first of all, once you launch WhatsApp, okay, you're going to go onto the three dots over here, and then you're going to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to click onto chats, and then just go down all the way to chat backup. Now there's one thing that you need to do is go onto backup onto Google Drive. Just make it a daily. I make it weekly or monthly or daily. I make it monthly, so each month all the WhatsApp messages are backed up to Google Drive. As you can see, I have it over here, 4.3 gigabytes. You can click on backup, and it's going to back up all your messages. Now let's say now of course you have to open include videos. Now let's say there's a specific chat that has been deleted and you want it back. If the chat was backed up, okay, from, like, let's say the chat was deleted on September 2nd and you backed it up on September 1st, then it's going to be, then what you're going to do then is going to show for you the deleted WhatsApp photos or messages. What you're going to do is then you're going to scroll out if you have the messages backed up, and you're going to click a long tap on WhatsApp, and you're going to click on the information button up there. Then scroll down all the way to storage, and then you're going to click on clear data. Once you click on clear data, okay, and I'm going to click on delete. Okay. Once you've done that, you're going to go on to WhatsApp, and then you're going to sign in again. I'm going to go with English. Okay, and then agree and continue, and then I'm going to put my phone number, save the phone number, and then I'm going to click on continue. You're going to make sure everything is allowed. Then you're going to, and your WhatsApp is going to start looking for backups onto your phone. Now once it actually finds the backup, as you can see, you're going to click on restore. And then it's going to start restoring all your messages back to your WhatsApp, and every deleted WhatsApp photos or messages are going to find it recovered onto WhatsApp. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.